In this video, we will learn how to install MySQL on Windows 10. With that, we will also create a sample database. Let us start. Go to the web browser. On Google, type MySQL and press enter. Here is the official website, mysql.com. Click on it. We have reached the official website. Here, directly go to the downloads menu. Click on it. Go below and click MySQL Community Downloads. Here are the community downloads. Click MySQL installer for Windows. Here the current version is visible. Go below. Now you can see two versions are visible. We will go for the following. Okay, 556 MB. It's written 32-bit, but this works for both 32-bit as well as 64-bit Windows operating system. So not a problem. Click the download button. The download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. You need to choose a setup type. I'll go for custom and then click next. Now you need to select products. So we will select it one by one. Go to MySQL servers. Click MySQL server. After that, click MySQL server 8.0 and select this. Click the arrow button to drag it. Now here it's visible. Okay, do the same for applications. Go to MySQL Workbench. After that, go to MySQL Workbench 8.0 and select it. Click on the arrow to drag. So MySQL Workbench is a UI to work with MySQL. Okay, now go to MySQL shell and do the same. Click here and drag it. So we will install these three. Click next. Installation ready to install. Just click execute. And now wait so that it can get installed. We have installed MySQL. It's written complete. Click next. Product configuration ready to configure. Click next. Type and networking is visible. The port number is 3306 and there is no error. So click next. Authentication method is visible. It's written use strong password and it's recommended. So I'll keep it as it is and click next. Here you need to set your own password for MySQL. Root is the admin. So your default user is root. You need to remember this. Create your own password. We will use this later. Click next. Windows service. Click next. Server file permissions. Here is the location where your databases will get saved. Yes. Grant full access. Keep the default and click next. Apply configuration. Here you need to select execute. Now it will get configured one by one. Let's wait. The configuration is successful. Click finish. Here click next and now installation is complete. When you click finish, it will start MySQL Workbench and also MySQL shell. Click finish. Minimize. This is the workbench. Minimize. Now let us set the path. Go to the place wherein we installed MySQL. It was in C drive. Program files. MySQL. MySQL server bin. Copy this path. Minimize. Go to start. Type environment variables. When you will type, the following is visible. Click edit the system environment variables. You can also click open from here. Now under system properties, under advanced, click environment variables. Under system variables, double click path. Here click new and paste the same path. We have pasted the path. Click OK, OK and the last OK. We have installed MySQL. Let us verify and create a sample database. Go to start, type cmd, click open. Now type MySQL hyphen version and press enter. This shows that we successfully installed MySQL. Now let us start MySQL. Type MySQL -u, use for user. I hope you remember a user was root. That is our default user was root. Type -p. When you'll press enter, it will ask you the same password which we said before, because P is for password. Press enter. Now mention the same password. Press enter. Here it is. MySQL started for the first time. Okay, now what we need to do? We need to display the databases, the default databases. Type show databases command and press enter. So these four are the default databases. Let us create a new database using the create database command. So whatever you'll add here will be your new database name. I have added AmitDB. You can add any name. Press enter and query OK means we have successfully created a new database. Now we will type the same command again so that we can display the database. There were 4 default databases. We created one more. So now 5 databases will be visible. Type the same command. And here it is, our new database is visible. That is total 5 databases are visible now. For a free MySQL tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. Now go to Workbench. Okay. From here, you need to click here. Enter the same password which we said before. Click Save Password in Vault. After selecting Save Password in Vault, click OK. Now MySQL Workbench will open. This is a UI to work with MySQL. For a free MySQL Workbench tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video.